Hey y'all, welcome back to Curly Quante. Today I decided to do something a little bit different because this is actually an item that I found via YouTube. So I was like, why not do an unboxing and show my first reaction to the product, because I've never tried a dupe of a popular perfume slash cologne universal fragrance scent ever before. But I was watching I Am Chelsea a couple weeks ago, and in one of her vlogs she purchased a cologne for her boyfriend for his birthday. And so the website that she mentioned was called Dossier, Dossier, and I was like, let me go on here and see what they have. So everyone knows that the Maison Francois, everybody knows that the Baccarat 540, everybody knows that the Baccarat 540 is the go-to scent. I actually smelled it a couple of months ago on a close friend of mine, and he's like one of those really particular people that doesn't really like to say what fragrances he's wearing, but I was kind of persistent and he told me, and so I loved it so very much. And then when I found out that it was a universal scent, I was sold on it. So what I actually did was I bought the scented oil from Neiman Marcus, and the scented oil was like $95. Yes, $95. I like it. I love it, but it only lasts on you. It only stays on for maybe like 4 hours or so. So the actual perfume, cologne, gender neutral scent starts around $300 or $400. Quite frankly, I'm not ready to dive that deep into it because I have other scents that I wear on a daily basis, or you know, I have a summer scent that is like my go-to, and I have a new fall scent that is like my go-to. Right now I'm really loving the Marc Jacob Perfect. Oh, I got the gift set. That's another story for another day, but today we're going to do an unboxing for Dossier, and I've already cut the size of it. I thought I cut the size of it, so we're gonna do an unboxing of it, and I'm hoping that it smells like the just like everyone says, that it smells like the actual thing. So this is the box, and this is what the little box looks like that it comes in, and this is the name here. You open it, it says, the side, it says the fair alternative to luxury perfumes. This product is made in France, it's risk-free order, vegan and cruelty-free, and it contains clean ingredients. So I also read on the website that when they send it to you, they send you the actual bottle as well as a sample, so that you can spray the sample first before actually opening it. My camera's about to die. So, but anyway, let's hop fast. So you can spray the actual sample to see if you like it before opening their product. They're like, look sis, run me this back. Ooh, y'all. So I'm gonna spray it on my wrist. Y'all, oh, this is it. Oh my god, oh my god. And this bottle here is, doesn't say how many ounces it is. Yes it does, it says it on the bottom here. It's 1.7 ounces, 50 milliliters, and this bottle was $48. $48 compared to $300 or $400. Till I get there, we gonna do this. I love this. Oh, this is right. So for this unboxing, I'm gonna say that Dossier is 100% spot on with their Baccarat 540 dupe. I'm gonna be pairing this with the oil. You're not gonna be able to tell me nothing. So as far as I'm concerned, this is a yes. If you are looking for a fragrance, or if you want to try out several of them at this price point, I mean, you can't, it's a good deal. I really would say yes. And I like how the top is a magnetic closure. Cute. This is a yes. This is absolutely a yes. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Oh, it smells so good. I wish you could smell it. Absolutely. So that was a quick unboxing of my Dossier fragrance, my dupe of Baccarat 540. I hope that you guys enjoyed this short video. Thank you so much for supporting me. If you like what you see, please make sure that you give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will definitely check you guys back in the next one.